Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Honor 9X and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card on this device. First, let's open the file manager, and to do it, swipe left on the home screen, like this, and tap on the files icon, right here. Now select the categories. If you are on recent, go to categories. And here we have internal storage. Let's select it. Find the files you want to move. In our case, let's select movies folder. And here we have our file. Let's select it by pressing and holding on it. And at the bottom we have option move. Let's tap on it. Here let's select other location. Select the memory card. Find the folder we want to put the file in, for example movies, and then tap move. And our file was moved. Let's do the same for pictures, for example. So let's go back to categories, select our internal storage, scroll down, tap on pictures, select the picture, select move, other location, our memory card, the folder we want to use, for example pictures, and then move to move our file. We can also move the files other way around, and to do that just select the file, of course tap on move, other location, select internal storage now, and find the pictures folder and tap move. And that's how you move the files from the internal storage to SD card and other way around on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.